What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Okay, right here I have this box in my hand, and it is actually from Big Guys Customs right here out of Logansport, Louisiana, which is not far from where I'm located. I think it's maybe an hour or so away. I appreciate you sending this package, Big Guy. And also, Big Guy also was like, let me come down and show you how to seal the mugs, you know, because I have done a few videos of mugs. You know, if you haven't seen it, you can check out my Yeti mugs videos that I've done. But yeah, Big Guy, maybe I can take you up on that offer if you feel like being in a video. And you know, maybe you can come down one Saturday if you don't have a lot going on, or even a Sunday and be a part of the live stream. How about that? But yeah, just let me know if you're interested, and I'll get back with you on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing right now. Okay, for that whole part right there, I don't even think I had my mic plugged in. So right here, you guys see the box from Big Guys Customs. You see my blade. Go ahead and open this thing up. Alright, right here. Alright, look at this. Check that out. Nice, personalized, customized bag by Big Guy Customs. That's real nice. And you can check out his info right there, bigguycustoms.com. See, I think it's something in here. Let me open it up. Y'all know my hands always be, it should be hard for me to open stuff. Alright, it says, Dear Sin, thanks for showing Louisiana people in such a positive light. I hope this little token of my gratitude, I'm sorry, I was reading ahead, my bad. I hope you like this little token of my gratitude. And he has the care instructions, and he said, if you would, please shout out my channel, my YouTube channel at bigguycustoms.com, YouTube. I'll put the link. I'll put the link in the description box. And on here, his name is Doug, and he's Mr. Real Good Man and Big Guy Customs on YouTube. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe, and y'all can check him out. But I will be putting the link in the description box. Okay, so let me see what is inside this box. Okay, we have a, let me see, a huge, wow, this is I mean, this is nice, y'all. Check this out. This looks like it's sublimated right here. I think it's sublimated. If I'm wrong, Big Guy, let me know. I think it's sublimated, and it's actually sealed. Yeah, so I'm thinking that it is possibly sublimated and sealed with epoxy. And yeah, this is nice. Comes with a little cap on there. Yeah, and it'll keep my drink, whatever beverage, my beverage of choice, which is usually water, it'll keep it cold in here. So yeah, I appreciate that, Big Guy Customs. But I'm gonna let y'all check it out. It says love my saints, and as you go around, it's like wood grain, and it kind of looks like it's something that's cut into the wood. Then it says who dat. As y'all know, if you into football or New Orleans Saints fan, you know, that's what they say. But I appreciate that, Big Guy. And y'all make sure to check him out. I'll leave links for his website and also for his YouTube channel down below in the description box. And yeah, Big Guy, you're gonna have to let us know, did you do your own bags or did someone else do them? Because that's nice. I like that. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below this video. And be sure to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed to the red channel, at the end of this video, you'll see a red logo. Just click on that and you can subscribe to that channel. Also, follow me on Instagram and join the Prince Squad group on Facebook. It's a lot of the Prince Squad members that do other things, so you know, you could probably get help from them quicker. And I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.